So this is a new gizzard recipe. It's kind of gizzard stir fry. It was delicious. Pairing it with rice, cooked yam, you will love it, guys. This is very simple and it's delicious as well. So in my saucepan, I added in the gizzard, washed and cleaned gizzard. I went in with chili powder, onion powder, ginger powder, chicken seasoning, shrimp seasoning, and its salt. So I stirred and make sure everything is well combined. I let this steam for about 5 minutes before adding in water. I then covered it and brought that to a boil. I let that cook until it is ready. In my blender, I added in onion, ginger, habanero pepper, green bell pepper, parsley, and then I added in oil. So I didn't use water to blend, it was oil. I blended until smooth and then I kept it aside. So once the gizzard was ready, I took it off from the fire to the same saucepan. I added in the blended onion mix or the blended veggies. I didn't add in any oil because I added oil to blend it, so no need for you to add in oil. But if you think it needs oil, add in oil. Let it stay on the fire until the veggies, the liquid in it has evaporated, and go in with your seasoning. So in my case, I added in dried shrimp powder, dried herring powder, and then I went in with the gizzard. That's very simple. It is easy. No need to fry your gizzard. The next ingredient that I added was cabbage and carrots. So go in, stir it, make sure everything is well combined, everything has come together, and then go in with your seasoning. So I went in with vegetable seasoning and salt. I didn't add in anything again, but you can add in any seasoning of your choice. So basically that's it, guys. This is very simple. It's a different way of making your stew or making your stir fry, and trust me, it was delicious. Try it and you will love it. So because my son loves sausage, I added in sausage. This was quite fried. I fried it a little bit and then I added it to the sauce. So there's it. I added in more bell peppers and then onion, and pairing this with cooked yam, cook rice with rice. Trust me, it was delicious. It was delicious. Try it and thank me later. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at it. Please try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. So I paired mine with cooked rice and it was delicious. Wow, wow, and wow, and wow. See you in my next video, and as always, you are invited.